When it comes to home improvement, windows might not always be the first thing on your mind, but they should be. Especially in Jennings, where the climate can shift from hot, humid summers to chilly winters, having high-quality windows is not just a matter of comfort, it's about energy efficiency, safety, and overall home value. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or simply not performing like they used to, it might be time to consider professional window replacement services. Here's why choosing professional window replacement in Jennings is a smart move for any homeowner. Improve your home's energy efficiency. Old or poorly installed windows are one of the main culprits of energy loss in homes. Drafts, leaks, and outdated materials can all lead to higher heating and cooling bills. Professional window replacement services ensure that your new windows are properly sealed, insulated, and energy efficient. Many modern window options come with double or triple panes and low-E coatings that reflect heat in the summer and keep it inside during the winter. This not only saves you money but also makes your home more comfortable year-round. Enhance curb appeal and property value. Your windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. Replacing old, worn-out windows with modern, stylish designs can dramatically improve your home's exterior look. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or just want to take pride in your home's appearance, new windows make a big difference. In fact, homeowners often recoup a large percentage of their investment in window replacement through increased property value and buyer appeal. Better functionality and comfort. If your current windows are hard to open, stick during humid weather, or let in noise from outside, it may be time for an upgrade. Professional window installers can fit your home with windows that glide open easily, lock securely, and provide excellent sound insulation. New windows also eliminate drafts and cold spots, improving the overall comfort of your living space. Expert installation makes a difference. While DIY window replacement may seem like a cost-saving option, improper installation can lead to a host of problems, from air leaks and water damage to poor insulation. Professional window replacement services in Jennings offer the expertise, tools, and precision needed to get the job done right the first time. Trained installers know how to assess your current setup, measure accurately, and ensure a perfect fit. That means fewer problems down the road, and often, a better warranty to back it all up. Customized options for your Jennings home. Professional window companies offer a wide range of window types, styles, and materials to match the specific needs of homes in Jennings. Whether you're looking for something traditional like double-hung windows, modern picture windows, or energy-efficient casement options, a professional service can help you choose the best fit for your home's architecture and your personal preferences. Boost your home's safety and security. Old windows can be a security risk. Cracked glass, broken locks, and outdated designs make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Newer windows come with enhanced locking mechanisms, stronger glass, and reinforced frames, giving you peace of mind. Professional installers also ensure these features are installed correctly and function as they should. Conclusion: Window replacement is more than just a cosmetic update. It's a smart investment in your home's efficiency, safety, and overall value. If you live in Jennings and have been putting off this important home upgrade, now is a great time to consider calling in the professionals. With expert guidance, quality products, and proper installation, professional window replacement services can transform the way you live in and feel about your home.